Another one.
Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. I'm Liana from Liana Makeup and Beauty. Okay, for today's video, I'm going to share a makeup tutorial video using the most affordable eyeshadow palette in the drugstore. So I'm talking about the Essence To The Moon and Back eyeshadow palette. Okay, this one in code 04 one way only. Okay, this is the To The Moon and Back eyeshadow box, metallic and shimmer color. Not metallic, I can say it like glittery and shimmery color. Got it at Watson. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, look like this. It's a nice like blue, green, purple, and also like bronzy, coppery, shimmer, red, black, and also like champagne glittery white color. Okay, it's a beautiful color. It's a beautiful eyeshadow palette. If you want to use to add some pop of shimmer or pop of color in your eye makeup or eye look. My new or recent favorite foundation routine. Okay, actually I rediscovered this foundation. Okay, this foundation have been in my collection for quite some time. My least favorite because I picked the wrong shade, not because of the formula. It's just I picked the wrong shade. Okay, first of all, we're going to prime, and you already know my favorite combo, but because of this foundation can have matte or really full medium to full coverage and also matte foundation, so I'm going to skip the Benefit Professional and I'm just using the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. Okay, and also I skip the Benefit Professional because this foundation gonna give me like really smooth my pores. My skin really look flawless with this foundation. Okay, so I'm so excited to show you. So just let's start right now. Okay, I'm going to prime my face using this Becca Backlight Priming Filter, and I will put this primer all over my face. Okay. So my face really look more glowy. Okay, because I really need like glowy base. Okay, underneath this foundation. Okay, my face now look nice. So this is the Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable foundation, oil-free foundation. Okay, actually I have it in light beige. Okay, it's way too light for my skin tone because you know back then before I really into makeup, we Malaysian love to do that, right? So and after really learn and really into makeup, so I just start to embrace and appreciate my skin tone, skin color. So because of that, on that time I'm just picked the wrong shade. Okay, so don't worry, I just found out the way to make this foundation works. Okay, so I just show you. So actually I'm going to mix it with here. Okay, this one is Benefit Dew the Hula is a soft matte liquid bronzer. Okay, so I'm going to mix this Too Faced in light beige, and I'm adding some of the liquid bronzer. Okay, this foundation, the formula is so good. Okay, so I'm going to take one pump of this foundation. Okay, it might this amount might be too much for my face, but you know, it's just like really easy for me to measure. So I'm taking the hula and I'm adding one pump and also another half pump. Okay, I'm going to add another pump for this liquid bronzer. I think total will be 2 pump. Okay, now it looks like really warm, nice warm, and because of my skin have like very strong yellow undertone, like really kuning lang side, okay, like really yellow. So I'm going to add this The Ordinary coverage foundation in 2.1Y to add some yellow tint in it. So I'm going to mix, okay, like half pump. First, I'm going to take my Real Technique Expert Face Brush to really buff the product into my skin. Here, after I blend all the foundation into my skin, as you can see, it's very nice finish. I think because my skin is dry, because of that I try to get back the like really skin-like finish. So because of that I choose the Bika Matte Night Priming Filter. That's it. The foundation itself very nice. Okay. So this is how it looks, just foundation on my skin. So this the foundation looks like on my face. Okay, I will proceed with concealer and set it with powder and do my face makeup off camera, and I'll be back to show you how my skin looks like after finish the face makeup. My brows, how about my bushy eyebrows? If you want a brows tutorial and like me to share how I'm doing my bushy eyebrows and share my technique, you know, kind of really in trend right now, the bushy eyebrows. So you want me to share how I achieve these bushy eyebrows, just let me know. Complete my face makeup off camera, and also I already put transition shade, okay, on my crease. Okay, as you can see, I already apply my eyeshadow in the crease. Okay, I'm just using Revolution Reloaded Iconic Vitality Palette because I'm using affordable eyeshadow palette. I just want to keep this more affordable option, okay, to achieve this makeup look. Right here, I'm going to use this color to recreate the makeup look, the makeup that I share on my Instagram story. You can see it really pigmented and also feels smooth. Okay, this color, okay, really nice. Okay, like what I can see is for the price, it really pigmented and really smooth. Okay, but the side of this eyeshadow, it does not stick on my eyes. Okay, you know, kind of after if you apply this eyeshadow first on your lid, and then when you try to buff and blend the eyeshadow, it kind of disappeared. Okay, because of that, I'm going to share my technique to make this kind of shadow more pop and stick to your eyelid. Okay, this technique I learned from YouTube back then when I'm not really afford to buy like high-end makeup and really wanted the good quality of eyeshadow in the drugstore and the nice color eyeshadow in the drugstore, but then the consistency, like, you know, will not stick on your eyelid, will disappear after you blend. So because of that, I really learned the technique from video on YouTube. Okay, so let me share how I just make these kind of eyeshadow to works. Okay, you can choose either you want to take like white pencil, eyeliner pencil, or you can use a black eyeliner pencil that really smooth, like cool consistency. Okay, so here I'm using Intuit like this, the nice gel smooth waterproof gel liner pencil. Okay, really smooth and really pigmented and really will it waterproof and will set after you apply on your lid. Okay, it does as much. It's because I wanted the smoky look. I'm going to choose a black base. Okay, so I'm going to apply. Okay. Okay, I'm done blending and apply the black eyeliner on my lid, and I just blend it with my finger and just buff the edges using a small blending brush. Okay, it's now time to apply this nice green shadow on top of the black eyeliner. Okay, this shade right here. So I'm going to try light dry using my finger first. Okay, okay, just like that. Ooh, the color is so pretty. Okay, I put this green color on top of the black liner to cover all the black liner. Okay, just using my finger first and the edges. I'm going to take the black shade right here to deepen up the outer part. Balance the blue and the warmth in the crease. I'm going to take
Five, four, three, two, one.
Another one. We the best music.